We live aboard our boat full time. We're in and out of different marinas and anchorages all the time. A lot of times we're going someplace new that we've never been to before. So you can look at the map of the marina, but having the Dockmate when you enter the marina and being able to navigate, and turn around from the bow of the boat, the stern of the boat, the fly bridge, it makes a huge difference in our lives and it reduces the stress level considerably. It's got proportional turn, so what you do is you just twist this around and it'll turn the boat around in a circle on a dime. And bring it in. It's really user-friendly. Grabbing over, back. You just make sure that this is pointing towards the bow and you move the boat wherever you want it to go. Come back. One of the great things about being able to dock the boat with Dockmate is that if there is an emergency and something happens to my captain, my husband, he can't dock the boat for some reason, he's injured or whatever, I know that I can bring it in and dock it safely and get him the help that he needs. To me, that's one of the greatest advantages of having the Dockmate and being able to use it. It's a game changer.